Hi friends, today we're reviewing one of the most convenient and rapidly growing crypto exchanges, BingX. This platform has become especially popular among beginners thanks to its simple interface, accessible tools, and the ability to use many features even without KYC. And yes, BingX is an official partner of Chelsea Football Club, which highlights its status and high level of trust on the global stage. The exchange is actively evolving, adding new features, and delighting new users with generous bonuses. In this video, I'll show you how to register on BingX and set up your account, how to fund your balance and start trading spot and futures, and most importantly, how to use the platform's most powerful tool, copy trading, which made BingX famous worldwide. And now the interesting part, using our link in the description and promo code CP6969, you can get a bonus of up to 11,000 USDT. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the description. All useful links and tools for a confident start are waiting for you there. Let's begin. BingX is an international cryptocurrency platform founded in 2018, built around convenience and simplicity. The interface is so intuitive that even complete beginners feel confident from the very first steps. Today, millions of traders around the world use BingX, and the exchange consistently ranks among the top platforms by copy trading and derivatives volume. Advantages of BingX: most features available without KYC, spot trading, futures, deposits and withdrawals, copy trading. All of this is available without mandatory verification. KYC is required only for P2P and certain fiat operations. World-class copy trading. BingX is one of the largest platforms for copying professional traders' strategies. Detailed statistics, transparent trade history, and a user-friendly interface make this tool extremely simple and clear. Reliability and security. Most assets are stored in cold wallets, and the exchange regularly confirms reserves through proof of reserves. Direct cooperation with the community. If you register using our link and join our trading chat, you get a direct communication line with BingX representatives to resolve complex financial issues faster. BingX today. The exchange continues to grow, adding new tools and remaining one of the most convenient, intuitive, and accessible platforms. For beginners, an easy start. For experienced traders, advanced strategies and passive income through copy trading. On BingX, registration takes less than a minute. Follow our partner link in the description, enter promo code CP6969, and a bonus of up to 11,000 USDT is already waiting for you. Enter your email or phone number, create a strong password, choose your region. Confirm the code from the email or SMS, and your account is ready. Everything is simple. 3 steps, and you're already inside the BingX ecosystem. The first thing you should do is enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Go to the Security Center, choose what you want to protect, login, withdrawals, or settings changes. Connect Google Authenticator, scan the QR code, enter the 6-digit code. Save the backup key. Now, even if your password ends up in someone else's hands, your account will remain securely protected. BingX is unique because most features are available without identity verification. But if you want higher limits, access to P2P, fiat operations, and all exchange products, then it's worth completing KYC. Upload your passport or ID, take a selfie, enter your address, and within a few minutes, the verified status unlocks full functionality. BingX supports several convenient deposit methods: cryptocurrency, P2P, and online exchangers. All methods are fast and suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Method 1. Deposit with cryptocurrency. Perfect for those who already have crypto. In the top right corner, click Assets. Choose the needed account, for example, Fund Account, and click Deposit. Choose a coin, for example, USDT. Select the network, TRC20, ERC20, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, etc. Copy the address shown by the system. Send funds from another wallet or exchange. Important: the sending network must fully match the deposit network. Network mismatch equals complete loss of funds. Method 2. Deposit via P2P. Allows you to buy USDT directly with a bank card from verified sellers. Go to Buy Crypto, P2P. Choose your currency and payment method. Find a seller with a high rating. Enter the amount and create the order. Transfer the money to the seller. Click Confirm Payment. After the seller confirms, the coins are automatically credited to your balance. Method 3. Deposit via exchanger. Ideal if P2P is unavailable or you need a fast transfer. Follow the exchanger link in the description. In the left column, choose your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the coin, for example, USDT, TRC20. Paste your BingX deposit address. Complete the payment. Within a few minutes, the coins will appear on your balance. BingX gives you flexibility. Deposit with crypto, card, or exchanger. Everything is simple, fast, and secure. On BingX, you can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat through P2P or online exchanges. The process is fully identical to depositing. The same steps, just in reverse. Spot trading is the classic crypto market. Buying and selling coins at the current price or at a price you set yourself. Everything is as simple and transparent as possible. How to start? In the top menu, select Spot. Find the trading pair you need, for example, BTC USDT. At the bottom, choose the order type. Market executes instantly at the current price. Limit, you set your own buy or sell price. Enter the amount or number of coins. Click Buy or Sell. After the trade, the coins are immediately credited to your spot account. You can withdraw them to a wallet or exchanger, convert them into other assets, use them in other sections of the platform, for example in futures, copy trading, or with trading bots. BingX offers spot trading without unnecessary complications. Buy, sell, and you're instantly ready for your next move. Futures are a tool that allows you to profit both from rising and falling prices by using leverage. On BingX, you can trade USDT-M perpetual contracts, Coin-M contracts, standard futures. How to open a trade? In the top menu, select Futures. Choose the contract type and trading pair, for example BTC, USDT. Set your leverage. BingX allows anything from 1 to 100. Choose the direction of the trade. Long, if you expect the price to rise. Short, if you expect the price to fall. Select the order type, market, limit, or stop. Enter the trade amount. Set stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk. Click Open Position. All active positions appear at the bottom of the terminal. Here you can monitor P&L, profit loss, adjust stop levels, close positions partially or fully. Futures on BingX are a flexible tool for those who want to manage risk and earn from market movements. And if you want to learn how to invest and trade the right way, join our Telegram channel. We break down strategies in simple language, share practical tips, and show how to work with crypto without unnecessary complications. The link is already waiting for you in the description. Copy trading is the signature feature of BingX and one of the platform's most powerful tools. The exchange is a recognized leader in this field. There's a huge selection of traders with different strategies, styles, and risk levels. This format is perfect for those who want to earn in the market without spending time on charts or manually opening trades. How to connect? In the top menu, select Copy Trading. You'll see a list of traders with key metrics: ROI, return on investment, risk level, number of followers, active trades, trading history. Choose a trader whose style suits you and click Follow. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Confirm the connection. From that moment, all trades of the selected trader will automatically be mirrored on your account, proportional to the allocated amount. BingX provides flexible control tools: maximum trade size, loss limit, number of simultaneously open positions, auto-stop copying when the limit is reached. You can stop copying at any time, close individual trades, or disable the strategy completely. Professional traders receive a percentage of the profits earned by their followers. This motivates them to trade carefully and maintain stable results. That's exactly why copy trading on BingX has become one of the most popular tools on the market. BingX offers a ready-made set of trading bots that allow you to automate strategies and trade without constantly watching the charts. It's the perfect solution for those who want to earn profit in the long term, maintain positions based on a chosen logic, free up time, and let algorithms handle the routine. Types of bots: Spot Grid buys at lower prices and sells at higher ones using market volatility. Futures Grid, similar grid strategy but works on futures with leverage. Martingale Bot DCA increases trade volume during corrections to recover faster when the price bounces back. AI bots, strategies with automatically optimized parameters based on current market conditions. How to launch a bot? Hover over the assets icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Bot Account. Click Create and choose the bot type: Spot Grid, Futures Grid, Martingale, or AI strategy. Select a trading pair, for example BTC USDT. Configure parameters manually: price range, number of levels, investment amount, leverage for the futures grid. Or choose AI recommended, allowing the system to automatically select optimal settings. Enter the amount you want to allocate to the bot. Click Create. What the bot does: once launched, it works automatically. Buys the asset during dips, sells during rises, maintains the strategy 24/7, locks in profit without your involvement. At any moment you can stop the bot, adjust parameters, withdraw part of the profit, view full performance statistics. Transparency and control. BingX provides a detailed report on all operations: income, order grid, profitability, risks, strategy dynamics. BingX bots work for you, delivering results 24/7. Algorithms do the work. You enjoy the freedom. Wealth is the section on BingX where your crypto works on its own, flexible, secure, and with enhanced returns. It's the perfect tool for anyone who wants stable income without spending all day staring at charts. What's available in Wealth? Earn, the simplest and most reliable products. Flexible term, withdraw your funds anytime. Fixed term, higher returns, a great option to deposit and earn interest, SharkFin. A protected product with boosted yield. If the price stays within the range, you get maximum profit. If it goes outside, your principal remains protected. Dual investments, higher returns for those who want to earn from price movements. Payout may be in one of two assets, depending on market conditions. Loans, borrow liquidity against your crypto without selling your coins. How to use it? Go to the Wealth section, choose a product and a coin, enter the amount. That's it. Interest accrues automatically. You can check your statistics in Assets, Wealth account. BingX Wealth is passive income without charts. BingX offers a convenient and intuitive mobile app that fully mirrors the functionality of the web version. Everything a trader needs is gathered in one interface: registration and account funding, spot and futures trading, launching trading bots, using P2P, copy trading, and the Wealth section. App features: fast and stable performance, no freezes when opening trades, full futures functionality, leverage, orders, position management, instant synchronization with the web version, easy to switch between phone and computer, interface optimized for active trading on the go and everyday use. BingX is one of the most reliable exchanges in its segment. Since 2018, the platform has operated without any major hacks, which confirms its high level of protection and user trust. Key security elements: cold storage of assets. Most funds are kept in offline wallets, inaccessible to attacks. Proof of reserves. The exchange regularly confirms that all user balances are 100% backed. 2FA for critical actions. Login, withdrawals, and settings changes are protected by two-factor authentication. Notifications for all operations, logins, transactions, and security updates are recorded and instantly reported to the user. Withdrawal protection, mandatory 2FA confirmation before any transaction. Thanks to this architecture, BingX provides a level of account and asset protection comparable to top global exchanges. Here, security isn't just a feature, it's the foundation of the entire platform. BingX is a protection you can trust. BingX actively rewards new users and gives you the opportunity to start with additional capital. Welcome bonuses. If you register using our link and apply the promo code, you can receive up to 11,000 USDT in bonuses. The amount depends on your deposit size, your trading volume, participation in specific promotions. These bonuses can be used directly in trading, increasing your potential without additional risk. Referral program. BingX offers its own reward system. In your account dashboard, open Invite Friends, copy your unique referral link. When invited users start trading, you receive a percentage of their fees. This way, your network of traders can generate a stable passive income for you. The exchange regularly runs temporary campaigns and giveaways, so there's always a chance to earn even more bonuses. BingX means bonuses from the start and income from referrals. Everything to make your trading more profitable. Support the channel with a like and a subscription right now. And all the links to our Telegram and the best services are already waiting for you in the description below. Our review is coming to an end, so it's the perfect moment to sum things up. BingX is not just an exchange. It's a full ecosystem for trading, investing, and passive income. Everything is gathered in one place. A fast interface, deep futures liquidity, copy trading, trading bots, wealth, and P2P. This platform is ideal for those who want to trade without mandatory KYC, use advanced tools, earn passive income, profit from copy trading and automation, work through a convenient mobile app. BingX is growing rapidly and has already earned the trust of millions of traders around the world. If you want to trade comfortably and unlock maximum opportunities, BingX is the reliable choice for you. Click the link in the description, register, activate your bonuses, and join our trading chat. There we help beginners and referrals get up to speed in crypto faster and solve any questions along the way.